it's Lauren from Dev. In a minute, we'll see a tour of the Microclimates user interface. Let's get started. To enter using your smartphone, scan the QR code or enter the address in your browser. Next, you'll be asked to log in. If this is the first login, enter admin for both username and password. In the interface, the menu navigates to the device registry, automation programs, and system settings. Each section contains a palette of cards. In devices, these cards represent physical devices. Each card has a front side showing the status and a back side for configuration. Here you can name your device, enter device settings, add notes, and save those settings. Adding cards is easy. Press the button on the upper right, choose the type, and configure your new device. To remove a card, go to Configuration, take it out of service, and click Delete. The Programs section contains automation cards. These have the same front and back for configuration. These programs automate different aspects of your business. Thanks for watching, and reach out to us at support@microclimates.com for assistance.